Hello and welcome back to another video on the Adventures of Shaun Perkins YouTube channel. If you've watched my videos before, you'll sort of know what it's all about. If you haven't, I film a series of events, mainly outdoor events. Do try and do as many indoors events, especially this time of year. But yeah, I cover events, days out, attractions, fun fairs, carnival parades, all that sort of thing. So yeah, for today's adventure, I am off to something a little bit different. We're going to go to the Meow Cat Cafe in Colchester. It's one of, well, I think it only has two branches anyway. There's one in Halstead and now there's one in Colchester. So yeah, we've never been. The missus absolutely loves cats, and by the way, she's going to hide away in this video. She hates being on camera. I don't care. She gets embarrassed when I'm on camera, so she sort of walks off all her stuff. But yeah, we're going to go to the cat cafe. Probably be a short video. I've never been. Drinking tea and it's surrounded by cats, so yeah, enjoy the video. That one's just chilling. He's just on the wall. There's one up there. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's proper. That is quite cool. Mum's got a new friend. Where's the one that's on your coat? Oh, he's just chilling. Got a comfy coat. This one's just chilling. You got another new friend, look. They all love your coat. Yeah. The other one was chilling. He's gone now. Now this one's over. Start padding down on your coat in a minute, look. I'm gonna dig into here, look. Padding down now. He says, I'm gonna sit here, mate, chill. The other one's coming back now. He says, oi, that was my spot.
So it's something permanent. So unless I must have seen what you'd done straight away.
That one's chilling, look now. Oh, look, he lost his space, Mama. Go and sit on the chair. Mama, do you like it here?
Stuff you said to her.
Yeah. She loves cats, absolutely loves them. She won't come here. Got one next to her, look. This one is proper chilled now. What'd you put on your coat? Catnip? I think he's just going to sleep. This one's going to be annoyed when we have to leave and you've got to pick your coat up. You're going to leave with loads of cats in your pocket. She's just chilling out. Proper. This one's still just chilling. So we've had a few cats over, haven't we? And this one is just proper. Cats are so lazy, aren't they? Right, if I did that all day, you wouldn't stroke my head. Tell me to get my ass out of bed and get to work. chilling. Or her, don't know what one it is. He's just loving being stroked. Yeah, he's proper loving that. Little head up in the air. That one's just asleep. Chilling out. They must get the most attention ever. Every hour is different people coming in it. What do you think? You like it? Yeah. She's very, very shy. Barely ever see her in a video, but yeah. I knew she'd like it here, so something different. It's cold outside, warm in here, plus she loves cats. And there's a few in here. One that's been glued to you for quite a while. This one is loving it, look. Mate, if you come in here, just bring a coat and put it down. Lower the cats over. Oh, look, it's giving you a hug. Yeah, he's still there. Just chilling.
You got company again. That's here. A little bit about now.
That one's just dead to that world.
Yeah, feel free to move him over. I can move him, it's up to you. Yeah. It's called Bear. Yeah. Sleepy Bear. Oh, I always feel so bad.
Oh, look, you got to disturb it now. Get your coat back. It's been laying there for ages. Proper just chilled out. You got to say goodbye to your new friend. Yeah, I know. You're gonna have to ease it off the coat. Just slide the coat from under it quick, like slowly. Do the tablecloth trick. Just go boom. Oh. I don't know what your name was. You should ask actually. Oh no. Yeah, it's loving it, look.